Good evening, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 10:11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is December 10th, 2021. It's Friday. Okay, here we go. Not financial advice, educational only. We're talking about Ethereum, US dollar, and Ethereum Bitcoin, and Bitcoin itself, as well as Bitcoin dominance. So let's first get into Ethereum, US dollar. So we are certainly, this is the long-term trend, a year and a half in the making, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's look at the real story here. This is the support line right now, looking pretty good. Still over it at 40K. We've had a couple of dippy doos below it. Nothing crazy here. We're still over the blue line. Here's the blue line. It's horizontal. This yellow line is the support line of the overall channel. So we're below it right now, but still above the horizontal blue line, which is important because this could indicate a temporary hangout for a little bit and then pop back into the channel. Now, the current resistance area on this lower end of support right now, which is now resistance, is 42.43, as well as support sitting around 39.58. So we're at 4,000 right now. Not bad. Hanging in there. ETH Bitcoin also. Again, this is where the patterns speak louder than words. This is that whole spiel. This thing is on a breakout and it's on a channel. So I'm just going to zoom in a little more. And as we can see, we expected a curl back and we got it. I think it might come maybe even a little further down to around the 80.30 range. 82.93 is where we're at. On the high end, we got an 89.80 range. So this is a good 10% or so plus difference between support and resistance on this channel, this upward channel breakout out of the pattern on the Ethereum Bitcoin pair. So let's move on to Bitcoin US dollar. There's that very bullish descending broadening wedge. However, in like short term, we could be in for some downside action. So you gotta make sure you're buckled in for this. I think we're 48,000 right now, but we went down as low as 46 earlier. In order for us to get back to the top where we started, 68K, we have to break this resistance area, which is currently sitting around 54K. Now, if we pull all the way down, I think we have a first stop of support around 44K. But then on the lower end of support on this broadening wedge, it looks around 38K. So be careful into the weekend, and I'll tell you why we should be a little more concerned about the weekend. This has been going up all day long as Bitcoin has been coming down. So I am very concerned about this giant move, and this has been going on. It's been nonstop, and Bitcoin's been kind of faltering here and there. So little bit of fear, I think I'm sensing out of this Bitcoin dominance graph. You should be worried about it too if you're a day trader. But if you're not and you're in it for the long term, just buckle in, enjoy the ride, stay away from open windows, and everyone should be fine. Right now, Bitcoin's at 48,350, ETH 4,013. Talk soon.